Hey, we're back in Hhanzhenkovo today, visiting our family, Olga and the kids. We've brought today some cement and sand for some indoor repairs. Winter's coming. They want to get as much done as they can before it gets too cold to do, real serious construction and maintenance stuff on the inside and outside of the house. So we brought 5 bags of sand, 25 kilos each, 5 bags of cement, 25 kilos each. We also brought 10 kilos of cookies and waffles for the kids to munch down on. And also, we brought them a heater. It's a 100-liter water heater.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through. Because you got a friend in me.
So this is a great new heater. It's going to really help their quality of life. It's plug and play. They just hook up the water pipes, goes in cold, comes out hot. 5 different settings, plug it in, take a bath or a shower. So this is a great deal for them. Beats heating it up on the wood stove. Thanks to everybody that pitched in. Bye-bye.
You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Boy, you got a friend in me.
На этой печке мы раньше грели воду для того, чтобы купать детей. И эта печка, мы ее отапливаем дровами, чтобы обогреть весь дом. У нас нет средств на уголь. Детки сами ходят на улицу, детки сами собирают, сами рубают, пилят, и для того, чтобы дома было тепло. И мы ее открываем, эту печку, и вот так вот обогреваем весь дом. Нам привезли новый бойлер, у нас теперь будет горячая вода и будет где купать детей. Большое спасибо за приобретение нового бойлера, вы нам помогли. Спасибо большое.